Hi, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this Christmas tree from an easy and quick square motif that you can use in a Christmas decoration or as an applique in many projects. I hope you like this tutorial. So let's get started. Now first make a magic ring, then make 3 chains and making 2 double crochet into the ring. We consider these 3 chains as our first double crochet. After that, again 2 chains, again into the ring, making 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Again 2 chains, 3 double crochet. We totally have 4 groups. Look, 1, 2, 3 groups. Again 2 chains, make 3 double crochet, tight the ring, making 2 chains, tight the ring. Okay, going to the look, the first chain on top of the chain, making a slip stitch. Again, next stitch, make a slip stitch, next stitch, make a slip stitch until we reach to this 2 chains space and make a slip stitch. Now for the next row, again make 3 chains and fill this space with 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 2 chains, again in same space 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. 1 chain, going to the next 2 chain space, making 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet in same space. One chain. Then we will make in all 2 chain spaces as I show you like this until the end of the row. After making the last 2 chain space, look at the end of the row, make a 1 chain going to the top of the 3rd chain, make a slip stitch. Again we're going make a slip stitch until we reach to the 2 chain space. Next slip stitch, next slip stitch and into the 2 chain space, slip stitch. Now for the next row, every row will start from the 2 chain spaces and actually started from the corner of our motif. Again 3 chain, making 2 double crochet in same space, 2 chains, again making 3 double crochet in same space. Look, just in corners we do like this, and between the corners after making 1 chain, fill 1 chain space with 3 double crochet. 2, 3. Again 1 chain, the corners like a past row, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, in one chain spaces, just making 3 double crochet. Don't forget to make a one chain between them, okay? Do it until the end of the row. At the end of the row, after making one chain, again make a slip stitch on the top of the third chain, and with the slip stitch we're going to reach to the, look, 2 chain spaces, okay? Now the next row and the next rows will be the same. In the corners we're going to make first 3 chains. We're going to make a 3 double crochet, 2 chains, yeah, 3 double crochet in chain in same spaces, 1 chain. Look, in the 1 chain spaces we're going 3 double crochet, and again repeat the like a 1 chain, repeat, okay? You can making the motif smaller or bigger, it ups to you. I'm going to make a 1 2 3 4 5 rows of motif, okay? But this is 4 rows. It was 4 rows, and maybe I'm going to make a 4 rows. This is my last row. Make it after making to the end of the row, make a slip stitch. Now look, these 4 rows is enough to me. As I said, you can make it bigger or smaller, and after reach your desired size, I'm going to again make a slip stitch and reach to the corner, two chain spaces, 1 chain, and cut the yarn a little longer to sew. Now let's shape this motif into 3. Okay, look, this is the front of our motif and this is the back of our motif. Now from the front of our motif, look, we like this, okay? And with a needle, from the back loop of, look, every stitch from the back loop, another side back loop. So again, next stitch, look, back loop in front of back loop. Swing until here. After swing until here, now we turn our work. Okay, now we're going swing this part like this. So we're going the yarn here from the here, and now we sew from this part until the end. Again from the back loop of every stitches. Swing until here. Now our tree is ready. Let's make the root part of the pine tree with brown yarn. Now for the root part, making slip knot and making 8 chains. 1 2 6. Yarn over, look, from the 1 2 3 4. From the 4th chain going to the chain making double crochet, and again next chain making double crochet in every chain until the end. Okay, after that make 3 chain, turn our work and look from the second space. This is our first space, this is our second. Making double crochet, next, next, and the last part making double crochet. Now 1 chain, cut a little longer, okay, then first hide the extra yarns, then with a needle look, sewing the root part into the, look, this is the front of our tree and this is the back of our tree, look, like this. Going to and sew this part. Okay, I sewed this part. Now our tree is ready. I hope you like this tutorial too. If you like my tutorials, please don't forget to subscribe and button the like